Roll the window down. Roll the window down now. Roll the window down or I'll break your window. Do you understand?
I know you better calm down. Hang on.
She thought this was just another traffic stop. Just answer a few questions and go home. But the moment she refused to cooperate, everything started falling apart.
I am Officer Perk. The reason I stopped you is for multiple marked lanes violations, your speed, and then you failed to comply. Roll your window down. Roll your window down or it will be broken.
Break it. What? This is an 09 Accord. What are you breaking my window for?
Because you're rolling your window up.
What? What did I do?
I just advised you of all of that. Multiple marked lanes violations.
What do you want? Multiple
speeding.
What the fuck does that mean? I was
left of center.
Speeding.
Okay.
Left
okay.
of center.
You failed to yield back there. Okay, I can smell your brakes.
You can smell my brakes.
Yeah, I can smell your brakes burning up.
Are you a dog? What the fuck does that mean?
Okay, when you turned from Main onto Sandusky, you went into complete opposite lane and then you took off again.
Okay, and?
Do you have your license and proof of insurance?
I do, sir. Hang on. Hang on, I don't even know where it is.
Okay.
When officers asked for her license, she laughed it off like a joke, and instead of complying, she grabbed her phone, acting like she was the one in control.
We're just not going to do that?
I heard you the first time!
Okay, are you going to get it for me or not?
Are you fucking deaf?
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out if you are. Are you going to get that information for me or not?
You know what? I'm trying to open my fucking door.
What's going on tonight?
I'm sure. What do you mean what's going on tonight? Nigga, are you deaf?
No.
I'm trying to go in my house.
Okay.
Are you fucking dumb?
No.
Apparently you are. You're fucking retarded.
Okay.
I'm trying to get my shit.
Okay. Do you know where it is?
I'm trying. Damn.
It's clear she's been drinking, and even though the officer is speaking calmly, she responds with insults instead of cooperating.
Are you blind?
No.
Apparently you are.
Okay.
Hang on.
So, do you have your license and proof of insurance?
Yeah, hang on one sec.
Stop. Stop. We're done. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
I'm just trying to call my boy.
You don't push on an officer.
You're under arrest. You understand?
Oh, I love it. That's so funny. Hang on. Can I call my boy?
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Let go. Stop grabbing him.
Quit.
I just want to pull my pants up. Pull my fucking pants up. God damn, can you pull my pants up? David!
Quit yelling. Don't move.
Pull the other side up. Fucking retarded. So fucking hard.
Yeah. Four Loco. Yeah.
At first, officers thought she was stepping out to hand over her license, but they didn't realize she was about to turn things physical. After taking her into custody, they transported her to the station. But even there, her behavior didn't change. She remained uncooperative, ignoring instructions, and continuing to act aggressively as officers carried out their process.
Operating vehicle while under the influence of illicit controlled substance or illicit metabolite of a controlled substance. Operating vehicle after underage alcohol consumption, or having physical control of a vehicle while under the influence. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, Your Ohio driving privilege will be suspended immediately.
I'm sober as fuck.
Okay. Well, I have to read it to you either way, okay? So, if you refuse to take the breathalyzer test tonight, okay? If you have no priors within the previous 10 years, your license is automatically suspended for 1 year.
Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so if I do this and I don't pass it, right? Because I probably won't. Let's just be real. Real scenario. And,
Sorry, go ahead. I had to tell him to turn his radio off because it'll mess with the machine.
yeah, turn the radio off and mess with the machine. Okay, so if I don't pass it, then what?
I mean, you'll still go to court, either way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know what I mean?
And be like, hey, I was too drunk. If you're gonna get fucked up, intoxinalizer is the name to use for it. For sure. Mm-hmm.
Do you have your phone on you? Go turn it off.
You guys, I'm sorry. My mom and dad are gonna be so upset with me.
Step out there, turn your radio back on, get the time to stop. Thanks.
For what reason?
The time of stop?
Yeah, what the fuck does that mean?
I have to put, it's the time that I tried to stop your car. I have to put that in.
Which one of you motherfuckers pulled me over?
That was me.
Oh, yeah. So you think I was doing something wrong? I was just driving.
Okay. Do you need me to make a phone call to your sister to make sure she is aware?
No,
Okay.
she's taking care of my son.
No, I'm saying to make sure she knows what's going on.
She doesn't care what's going on.
Okay.
I just want her to take care of the child, and I know she is.
Okay, perfect. I just want to make sure everything was good there, okay?
My mom and dad are going to be the ones at this point when I just don't show up to church.
Well,
The fuck is it?
this is just a mouthpiece
For what? What
For
are we
the-
testing for?
for alcohol.
I'm sober.
Okay.
I'm so sober. Guys, what do we have to test for alcohol for? I was almost home.
Okay.
No, you're saying okay, but I know you're smarter than that. We were almost home. So what the fuck you mean okay? You're gonna ignore me?
All right. Let's go ahead and grab this end here.
Oh god, you're gonna ignore me.
I'm not ignoring you.
No, you are.
I'm not. Take a deep breath
You
in.
are.
Take a deep breath in. Hold on. Listen to me. Stop. Stop for a second, Ashley. Okay. Remember, you got to take a deep breath in. You got to create that tight seal.
Literally, just
Okay.
suck the soul out of this shit. What do you want me to do?
You're not inhaling. You have to exhale.
Oh,
Okay.
exhale.
Yes. All right. So take a deep breath in and then create that tight seal. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Hold on. Take a breath. Stop for a second. Okay. Take it out. Take it out of your mouth. All right. Remember, you have to go as long as you can. Okay, with that tight seal. All right. So go ahead and take a deep breath in.
You try to do me dirty.
I'm not.
No, you are.
I'm not. I promise you. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Create that tight seal. Go as hard as you can for as long as you can. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You can't stop early like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
But
Take a deep breath in.
no, listen. Listen to me.
It's on a time limit. Okay. If it
know.
times out, then that's considered a refusal. I'm not trying to have that happen to you.
Okay. But listen.
It's not taking your test because you keep stopping. You have to blow as hard as you can for as long as you can. Keep going. Keep going. You have to keep going. Remember, you got to.
I am.
Okay. All right. I'll go ahead and take
See,
that.
I don't even know if I should do that. You know what I mean?
I don't.
Okay, but hear me out.
I'm listening.
Hear me out. What would you do if your wife fiance, whatever, got pulled over, right?
Mm-hmm.
Would you want her to listen to it? Or be like, nah, I ain't gonna do that.
Would I want my life?
Tell me. Would you want her to do it, or would you want to be like, nah, babe, skip it?
Skip what?
Skip whatever the fuck I just did.
I can't give you any legal advice.
You can't give me any just fucking normal advice?
No, I'm not allowed.
For why?
Well, it's just bad practice. Okay? I don't want to persuade your decision either way. You know what I mean?
I'm literally just asking a question.
I understand. Okay.
I've never been in trouble for nothing.
So you can't even say that with a straight face.
No, because I'd be a reckless driver. And
Okay.
I'm not ashamed of it.
Okay.
Because these fucking retards be driving like crazy.
Yeah, sometimes.
So I can be straight. I can be straight.
Okay.
But I do want to go home at the end of the night and see my child.
Well, I mean, that's not up for me to decide.
It's not up for you to decide. What's your opinion?
What do you mean?
Because I don't ask that. What's your opinion?
I can't give you my opinion.
What can you give me?
I can give you the facts as to what happened tonight, and that's all I'm allowed to give you.
Nothing happened tonight.
Okay.
It was a little reckless. What happened tonight?
Apparently just a little reckless driving.
It was a little reckless. And?
You tell me.
What y'all gonna give me?
What do you mean? What do you mean, what am I going to give you?
The fuck is this thing?
It's going back through its self-test again. Stop. Don't do that. Just leave it alone, okay?
Just push it. I was pushing it. No, I was pushing it.
Okay, just leave it where it is now, okay? Alright?
I just want to go home, you guys.
Okay. You gotta do that one more time, alright?
What?
It takes 2 samples, okay? And the official result is the lower of those 2 samples, okay?
What? What?
Same thing you did last time, alright?
No. Can I call my mom?
We can make some phone calls after this.
No,
Okay?
I don't want to call my mom.
Okay. Ashley, listen to me. Remember this. Remember.
My mom. I know I'm an adult. I know I should know better.
I'm not
but-
saying that. Okay.
No, I'm saying that
I'm
because
trying to
I
remind
know
you
better.
that this
I
is on a
should
time
know
limit.
better. I should know.
Okay.
But I want to call my mom.
Okay. Ashley, we can take care of that, but remember, this is on a time limit, okay?
Okay.
All right. I don't want that to penalize you just because you're upset. Okay. We can get to making phone calls, okay? Mm-hmm. Go ahead and take that. All right. There you go. Take that deep breath in. All right. Exhale as hard as you can. Hold on. All right. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going for as long as you can. Okay, let's see. We'll see if it took it, okay? Careful.
I don't want you to fall, okay?
Okay, it took it that time, all right? Okay. You can go with them, all right? You can go with them. All right? I gave them your phone if you need any numbers out of it, okay?
She gonna be a blue.
You guys, I'm really disappointed. I'm really
We're gonna go down here. Well, actually, we're gonna go right
oh,
The faster we get through our process, the faster you can call your
I'm
mom.
really disappointed in myself.
I get it, but we gotta get through this process, okay?
In this moment, she finally realizes the chaos she created, but it's already too late. She had every chance in the beginning to stay calm and avoid all of this, but instead, she chose to escalate. And now, she's left dealing with the consequences.